Hello world, here's BT, your Bitcoin trading informant. BT has bloody fingers. I was trying to catch the bottom and yes, it was a falling knife. I have bloody fingers now. The big thing is, where is the next stop? Will we see a rejection of this bloodbath, or will we go down more and more? Maybe 25,000, maybe 20,000. Let me show you this really quick in this technical analysis. Let's start now. So here is Quantify Crypto. What's going on with our crypto coins? Everything is slightly bearish. Everything is going down. The Binance coin is neutral, but it's not looking nice. Tron is the only coin what's going up a little bit, and FTT it's also going up a little bit. But if we are watching the top 20, what can we see? The biggest loser is Shiba. Shiba is going down so hard, 21%. Matic is going down so hard. ADA is going down. Solana, and so on and so on. It's not looking good with our cryptos, guys. If we are watching on CoinCodex, we can see the price prediction is going sideways. If we are watching more, we can see, yes, of course, we have extreme fear in the market. Yes, of course, the sentiment is bearish. Everything is telling us, forget it. Bullish only 21%, bearish 79%. Everything is going down. And if we are clicking here on show more, what do we see here? Maybe we will see end of May a little pump to the upside and a better pump to the upside, maybe middle of June, maybe 40% plus, but it is a price prediction, you know it, guys. Let me show you this one. It's investing.com. It is the Candlestick Patterns, and they're showing us on the monthly time frame. We saw here the 3 black crows. After this, we went down really hard, so we need a bullish candlestick pattern. We have it not on the monthly. We have it not on the weekly. The last one was here, the 3 upside down. I told you, bearish reversal pattern, bam, really hard to the downside. We have it not on the day. The last one was here, the engulfing the bearish, and the 3 outside down, bam, we are going down. So no bullish pattern here. 5-hour time frame, no bullish patterns here. 1-hour time frame, and yes, here was a little bullish engulfing, this green one. After this, a bearish cross, low reliability, not so important, and it's going a little bit up and sideways in the 1-hour time frame. What is telling us the whale map chart picture? Let me show you. Let me refresh it for you, and it is showing us. Let's zoom in. Hey Tessima, let's zoom in, let's check it. And yes, we broke our whale support. Our whale support is 34,000. Now it is 33,300. It's the resistance, and a lot of whales. This is the whale map showing bought here, but you know it, guys. If whales are buying Bitcoin, they are not buying all on 33,000. They are buying all the way down. Next support is coming in, and this is this one, 26,000 to 24,000. Really big whale support. But guys, this is only the whale map. Let me show you the technical analysis from Bitcoin. Yes, and we are starting with this one here. This is our Bitcoin chart picture. We are in the weekly time frame, and guys, it's looking really bad. We are about to make this M pattern. I told you this M pattern, attention. We may build an M pattern. The target of this one is 10,000. I told you this since long time, and it's not looking nice, guys. But I am removing now everything. So we have to get a clear chart picture, and now we can watch what's going on with Bitcoin here on the weekly time frame. First of all, it's really important for me to check the EMAs. EMA ribbon band, and what can we see? And that's now really important for me. This is the weekly time frame. Every candle is 1 week. First of all, we saw a short signal here and a red ribbon band. We saw the green one changed into a red one, and yes, it's going down here. And now we are really close about this one. Everyone is talking about 25,000. Here is the EMA 200. This is the next big support. So yes, of course, it's not impossible to touch it. A lot of guys are waiting for this point. And I think if a lot of guys are waiting for 25,000, maybe we will not touch it. But guys, that's only my meaning. Yes, we are in a big parallel channel to the downside. This is a big red parallel channel, and you can see the target of this parallel channel. If we're going down this week more and more, and yes, of course, we have some time. We have some days to go down here. The target is 25,100. It's the bottom of the parallel channel. It's also the EMA ribbon, so it's a really big support. If we are drawing from the deepest point here to the highest point here, a Fibonacci like this one, deepest point, highest point, what can we see? And yes, of course, a really big Fibonacci area is here. We are here fighting with the 0.618 Fibonacci, 28,800. It was a support, it is now a resistance. And we are fighting with the next one, 26,000. This is the 0.66. This is the devil's Fibonacci line, and it's really important. So, yes, of course, we have now so much supports if we are watching the Fibonacci, if we're watching the EMAs. And guys, we are now in a really big support zone. We can draw it like this one. This is a really important support zone. And the important stuff, the most important stuff, in my opinion, is if we will close this weekly candle under this mega support. You can see we are fighting in the moment in this support, but if we will see a confirmed closing candle under this support area, maybe under 2820, yes, let me tell you, 28,000, this is a really bearish sign that we will go down more and more. We need to close this candle, and that's so important now, over our support line and not under it. We have 3 days, 11 hours to close these candles. Yes, it's some time. Maybe we can go up from here a little bit. Yes, why not? But for the moment, it's looking so bad for the cryptos, so bad for Bitcoin, so bad for Terra Luna, and so much things here, Ukraine, and so on and so on. It's not looking really nice, guys. I'm trying to catching the bottom. I'm trying to hunting the bottom, but I have bloody fingers now. The falling knife is really sharp, and yes, I cut my fingers off a little bit at some places. It's not a big thing. If you're setting stop losses, guys, it's not a big thing, but it's now really dangerous to lose this support area. Why this is so important, you can see it. We had a big fight on the weekly time frame here. We had a big fight on the weekly time frame here, and we have the next one here. And the baddest thing for the moment is, guys, we made a lower low. We made here a lower low, and that's so dangerous. It is lower as this one here, and this is the biggest thing. This is the biggest problem, in my opinion, for the moment. So, guys, dangerous. Let me check the indicators really quick. Let me check the moving average. Here it is, the MACD. What is telling us the MACD? It's not looking good. We are buying more and more red candles. We can make more red candles to the downside. This is showing us the MACD. You can see it here was the cross, a little try to the upside, bam, down to the downside. Not good. Not nice for the moment. Good for the shorters, good for the bears, really bad for the bulls, really bad for the longers, for the hodlers, So this is the MACD. It's not looking great. Let me check on this big weekly time frame the Traders Dynamic Index. Let's check this one, and it's down. It's really down. You can see it here. We are down on the bottom of this Bollinger Band. You can see it here, so maybe a little pump to the upside, why not? And what is the next big thing? We are here with the point about 35 points. Yes, about 35 points. You know it, guys, everything under 20 points is oversold, but we are over this point, so it's not oversold for the moment, and it's not really nice here for the moment, what we can see. Let me check this one really fast on the daily time frame. Here is the daily. Yes, we are on the bottom. We are extreme on the bottom. We are here down, Bollinger Band. We are on this point, guys. It's not looking good. Let's remove this. Let's watch really quick the RSI relative strengths on the daily. Here we are, and we are oversold. We are extreme oversold. You can see it. Everything under 30 on the RSI is oversold, and we made now, guys, on the daily a double bottom on the RSI. Double bottom on the RSI is not bad. Maybe this is the time for a nice breakout, a little breakout to the upside. This is the resistance. Yes, we have some space to the upside. You can see it here. Why not to see here some rejection and some longs here, some whales here. They are buying in, and maybe we see a little jump to the upside. But guys, it's so dangerous for the moment. And what can we see? If we will see a nice pump to the upside, we have here the 0.5 Fibonacci at 36,500. That's really important. If we can grow up here to this point, yes, a retest of this really important as a really important resistance. It was a support, a retest of this one, and after this more to the downside. Yes, it's not impossible. Guys, I have no good news for you for the moment. Attention, attention, if you're trying to catching the bottom, bloody fingers, bloody fingers. Guys, have a nice time. Greetings, your SPD, your Bitcoin trading informant, and guys, this is not a financial advice. Bye.
System activated.